So I've been to, coming to Riverside Dental for about 8 years. Dr. Spencer, from his original office over on Lomax over to the new office on Riverside Avenue. And what I like about Dr. Spencer and what I like about coming here and him as a dentist is you get all the modern technology, the amenities. You get the feel of a modern dentist office. You feel like you're getting the most state-of-the-art treatment. Yet he's able to maintain a community feel. You feel like you have that he's treating you as a person and not as a patient, and you get to know him as you would. You feel comfortable. There's a comfort with having Dr. Spencer, your dentist, and him. Having been with him for 8 years, he starts to develop an understanding of what you've gone through, issues you've had in the past. He also treats my wife, and we just feel real comfortable here. I mean, the staff is an extension. When I say that there's a comfort level and a feeling of community and a feeling that Dr. Spencer cares about the neighborhood and the community, it's an extension of him as not only his office but his staff. I mean, everyone. It's not where you're waiting to see the doctor. It's everyone here you feel like has an understanding of your history, your concerns, what you want to have done, and you feel like you're getting the highest level of treatment from when I meet with a hygienist. My hygienist is Heather, and I get the best of treatment from Heather. And then when Dr. Spencer comes in to see you, it's just a further extension of that treatment. A lot of the treatment early on, I mean, knock on wood, a lot of it's maintenance now and keeping after the care of my teeth. And thankfully, I haven't had to do a lot other than the standard treatments. I did come to Dr. Spencer through, I was recommended by a friend in the neighborhood. After I had some experiences with other dentist practices where they weren't treating me as an individual, they were treating me as, well, everybody kind of goes through these things, so let's take one standard treatment practice and apply that to all of our patients. And when I went to see Dr. Spencer, he took a step back and looked at a view of my situation and what I needed individually. And once he understood that, there was some minor adjustments he had to make with my bite and adjusting some of my teeth, and after that, once I've been on that plan, then it's more about keeping up with the treatment and the X-rays, and offering up some if I want to do teeth whitening or proper care in terms of the proper toothbrushes to use. How important that is in terms of gum care and overall oral health. And I think it's as anyone who asks me in the area about where I go or where, then obviously, I mean, it's the great thing about Riverside is you have a lot of people in the neighborhood who, whether it's the person who cuts your hair, the child care, and so having someone in the area that you can recommend and you feel good about putting someone in their care, and Dr. Spencer would be at the top of the list of not only the best dentist in the area, but overall care is someone that I highly recommend to anybody that asks.